Alright, so what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the KT Moto V2 headlights. They make a V1 and a V2. These are the V2. These are the newest ones. These are for an 08 to a 2016 Yamaha R6. I ride a 2009 bike, so these are going to fit up on mine. So KT Moto actually sent these out to me a couple days ago, and I figured I'd do an unboxing video on them, just show everything that comes in the box, as well as the packaging for the lights, and let's just crack right into this. I'll show you guys what they got inside the box for you. Alright, so right on the top of the box here, you get a detailed instructions with colored pictures and little blurbs up top. And I will actually show you guys a close-up of this right now, so you can get a look at that. So next up is actually a catalog here. This just shows all the different models and styles of headlights that they make for all the different bikes. A bunch of different colorways, just showing everything that they make for all the different styles of bikes. So after that, we actually got this box here, which is your HID ballasts. Just open that up. So yep, HID ballast right there, just mounts right onto the side of the bike. There's this one here, and then there's a second one here. So after that, I actually include this, which is a bag of mounting materials. You got zip ties, you got a mounting bracket there, you got some electrical tape, as well as a switch for the headlights. So that's that bag there. After that, we got this bag here, which is actually all the wiring that you're going to need for the bike. High beams, low beams, turn signals, everything, the wires that you have to ground, everything's all just right here in this bag. Right there, it's all just plug and play basically from the back of the headlights to the bike itself. So these wires right here are what you're going to use to connect everything. So next up here, we actually do have a little tool kit, which is just the tools that you're going to need to assemble the headlights and put them on your bike. So you just got some Allen keys as well as a screwdriver. It's just helpful. It just saves you a trip to the store if you don't have tools at your house. So that's nice of them to send that out. So next up, we actually got the headlights themselves. I'm going to pull these out of the box right now. So they come packaged in a lot of bubble wrap, as well as a bag and some saran wrap like material over the lights themselves to just protect them from getting scratched and everything. So let's get these out of here. Then they got this saran wrap like material just to keep the actual lenses themselves and everything that's going to be seen on the outside of the bike scratch free, so it looks perfect as soon as you install it. Just pull that off there. Alright guys, so here they are. These are the KT Moto V2 headlights for the Yamaha R6. These ones here are for the 2008 to 2016 model. So I'm just going to go over some of the brief features that they have and show you guys what to do with those. So right along the top here, there's actually a white LED bar, which is your DRLs, your daytime running lights, as well as your turn signals. So this white LED bar there is actually going to flash orange when you turn on your turn signal, which is really cool because it's just going to be way brighter than a turn signal on the side of the bike and much easier to see. So it just makes things a little safer. And then beneath that, there's actually a little ring in there, a little circle, and that's actually your demon eyes. So it's like a white eyebrow there with a red demon eye underneath. That's the colorway I got. You can also get, so you can get a red, a blue, and a green demon eye. I got red because I just thought that would look the best on a white bike. So the thing with the V2 headlights that differs from the V1s as well is they actually have a titanium inner housing, which is right beneath this lens here. And the old ones just had like a black plastic. This one's kind of like a silvery metal titanium color. It looks a lot better in my opinion. So the headlights themselves are actually 6,000 lumens, so that's going to be kind of a bright white bluish color. You can do like a bunch of different lumens as headlights, but I chose 6,000 because I figured that would look the best, and it's not really illegal. It's just like a nice bright white color. So on the back here, We actually got all of your mounting cables that come off the headlight to attach to the bike. So you got your high beam, low beam cables, as well as your turn signal cables. So that's all of that. But yeah, here they are, guys. These are the KT Moto V2 headlights for the Yamaha R6. If you guys want to go check them out, I will leave a link down to their website in the description, and you guys can click on that and just go see all the other stuff they have to offer for different bikes and different years and different colorways and styles and everything. They got a huge array of products on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I will be doing an installation video in the near future where I'm just going to be going through step by step with close-up shots of all the connections, all the mounting, and everything you have to do to get these fully installed on your Yamaha R6. So definitely stay tuned for that video in the future if you guys are considering looking at these headlights for yourself. So thanks again to KT Moto for sending these out to me, and thank you for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it.